Contrails. First sees all.
Hey everyone, Bruce Swartz here. I have to really thank you all for the amazing appearance in the live stream. Check out here all the people and of course all the generous contributions. Thanks everyone. I really want to take the time to thank you all. And if you pause at this, all the messages are there. Questions that, we all ask ourselves about everything. There's Marty, Carefree Observatory. You guys got to check them out too. CINDI LOOHOO's in the house. A great big show, and I finished off on Super Dave's channel. Check him out, Super Dave 44. There's some pretty amazing objects inside of the solar system right now, and some on their way coming. So there is an asteroid that's on its way to Earth for April 29th. What is the asteroid called? It's number 52768, 1998 OR2. It's going to pass closest on April 29th in 2020 this year. Observers are going to be us peering through our telescopes, and we're going to see it as slow as a moving star. So that's pretty slow. So that means in a matter of 10-15 minutes, you're going to see it cross over entirely through the image of a camera or telescope. And let us not forget the two other objects. There's a celestial object that looks like a moon. They call it the second moon. That is not actually a moon. It's a small planet in our solar system. And we're waiting for Atlas to come on by the sun on May 22nd. And apparently it's visible now. It's a slow moving star in the sky. So if you're looking at it for 5 or 10 minutes, it's going to move across your camera screen. It's not going to go any further than that. Look at the UFO entering Earth's orbit. It came from far away small and is coming now, getting closer and growing in size. Let's see that again. 5:45 p.m. on April 4th, 3rd, 4th. Another chemtrail. First chemtrail in 2 weeks that we saw, actually. This is the first one. In 2 weeks they stopped spraying since the pandemic, and now it seems that they're starting back up spraying, so we'll try to see which planes are doing the spraying. We'll try to capture that. So let's go up now even more and check out how wide it is. There we go. That little chemtrail strip that was right over the sun. Watch how wide it gets. We'll widen out. We'll see what happens to it. No matter how far this chemtrail goes, it's always the same quantity of smoke that remains. Clouds don't even do that. Everyone knows that. Clouds evaporate, for Pete's sakes. But this spreads out. So 20 minutes on a day without any wind. 20 minutes. That's how wide that chemtrail got from being beside the sun. And see, I want to keep looking at it because at one point, if it was a contrail, I'm trying to explain to you disbelievers, which you guys sound stupid, that this thing would disappear after 30 minutes.
It's been 25 minutes. And look how wide that chemtrail is getting. Let's go up again and see if it's going to come back up again and go by and see how wide it gets. At one point, it has to disappear. Even clouds evaporate at one point. They always do, and they're not now. So let's follow this and see how far it goes. It's widening out. The same quantity of smoke that was right beside the sun is still over the house now, except it's 7 to 8 times wider on a day that's not windy, exactly 26 minutes after. It's now 6:35. We're 35 minutes into it now. And we're many, many miles away from where it was to start off with, where the sun is. So in other words, the sun is to my back now. And we could see it, how wide it got. Just widening out. Look at that. Incredible, eh? It's all toxins or whatever a chemtrail is. One thing's for sure is the government's never addressed it. If they would have addressed it, people wouldn't be so curious. What the hell are they? See how wide they are? Look at that.
This is Houston. Say again, please.
Houston, we've had a problem.